how to change playback speed on YouTube. So first thing first, let's open the YouTube app. And now you can see there is your profile option at the bottom right corner of this section. So just tap on you option, and finally you will be able to see settings icon at the top right corner of this section. So once you tap on settings, let's slide it a little bit down, and you can see there is playback options on in the screen. So let's tap on playback, and finally you'll be able to see skip forward and backward in here, which is 10 seconds. So once you select the option, you can customize your playback speed from here successfully from 5 seconds to 60 seconds. So I prefer a default, which is 10 seconds, and you can also customize more options from here successfully. So basically this is how, and this is the process to change your playback speed on YouTube. And if you still encounter any issue during this process, feel free to leave a comment and I'll be happy to assist you. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.